Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Narendra Yadav. Today I am going to teach you about use of may, might and must, which is very helpful for all those students who are preparing for any type of government jobs, or maybe they want to improve their English from basic levels until till advanced level. So this video is completely for you, and if you came to watch my video first time, then please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start. So students, in this video it is from grammar portion, and in it I took it from. I'm going to teach you this use of may, might and must. It is from verb section, and I have already teach you verb first part and second part teaching video. If you did not watch my video, then go and watch those video and then come to watch this video. Then you will understand very well. Okay. So first I'm going to start from may. Okay. Basically this word is very important, and we often use this word may. Many times we use in our day-to-day life, which is very important word. Just like may means, I am telling you here from some example. Just like one example is, she may love you. Just imagine a situation. You have a crush, crush, just like one-sided love. You are loving one girl, but they don't know about your desperate of love, about your crazy of love, your passion about love for that girl. But that's why it is called one-sided love. So, and you are imagining, maybe she will, when I will propose to her, then she will love me or she will reject me. So you have no any idea what she will do. Maybe she will reject you, and maybe she will accept you. So you are in doubtful situation. So just like you have 50% chances. Maybe she will accept your proposal, otherwise she can reject you. So that's why you are telling here, she may love you. That means when we can say in Hindi, मतलब वे वह शी मे लव मी, वह मुझे प्यार कर सकती है या नहीं भी कर सकती है. मतलब इसका मतलब हो गया संभावना व्यक्त कर रहे हैं, पॉसिबिलिटी को हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. हियर वी आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग अबाउट पॉसिबिलिटीज. ओके, संभावना. Possibilities means संभावना. That's why this emoji I use here. This emoji also, it means they are little bit sad. Okay, because they don't know about confirmation. Okay students, so इसमें 50% chance है. And now let's this type of example you can make a different type of example. It's depend on you. And here may means now I came to this explanation, then you will understand better way, and then step by step I will teach you. So may means you understand, and may, how we can use may. What is may? May is a verb. Okay, and which type of verb may? The may is auxiliary verb. How many types of verb? We have understand, and we have already learned how many types of verb. So verb, basically there are two types of verb, मेन वर्ब और हेल्पिंग वर्ब. और हेल्पिंग वर्ब को ही हम लोग एक्जुलरी वर्ब करते हैं. एक्जुलरी वर्ब एंड हेल्पिंग वर्ब बोथ आर सेम. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, मे मीन्स इफ व्हेन वी विल टॉक अबाउट हिंदी, देन मे मीन्स हो जाता है सकता है. मे मीन्स सकता है. ओके, एंड अनुमान या संभावना मीन्स व्हाट? पॉसिबिलिटीज. अनुमान when we guess something, when we just like we guess from our logic, from our mind. Okay, so किसी भी चीज का हम लोग अनुमान लगाते हैं. सकता, संभावना, तो हम लोग क्या चीज का यूज करते हैं? मे का. then we should use may. Just like we have some terms and condition also. Permission, when we have to take permission from anyone else, maybe when we need to take permission from our senior, our any people, our parents, any people, then we have to use this verb. Okay, may. So permission, when we have to take permission from anyone, then we can use this word may. So as for example, may I come in, sir? When will you go for any interview, and there will have interview chamber. So when you will enter on the main gate, then you have to take a permission, because without taking permission you cannot enter the interview chamber, interview room. It is not good. It is just like it means you have no good manner. Okay, so you should always follow the good manners. So you have to take a permission. So what will you tell to that interviewer? Then you have to tell basically this simple sentence, which is may I come in, sir? That means in Hindi we can say may I come in, sir? That means क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? Okay, are you getting my points? And another example, we can take another example also. Another example is may I use your phone? Just like I have no phone. Okay, otherwise I lost my phone. Otherwise my phone battery has discharged. Okay, so something problem, basically something problem with my phone. So and I have a very emergency situation. So so when you want to use another phone, another people's phone, then you have to tell this sentence with polite way. So what will you tell to them? Then you can tell may I use your phone. It means in Hindi, क्या मैं आपका फोन इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ, क्या मैं आपका फोन यूज कर सकता हूँ. तो basically in this type of situation, what are you doing? In this type of situation, you are taking a permission from anyone else. It doesn't matter senior, junior, or any type of people. When you want to take a permission from anyone else, human beings, anyone, then you have to use this type of sentence, and you can make different type of sentence. It will be depend on completely you. Okay, and you have to basically use this word may. Okay, that means and another section is, another rule is possibilities. So when we will talk about any possibilities, any sambhavna, possibility means sambhavna, then we have to use also this word may. Okay, possibility, sambhavna. Just like as for example, it may rain today. It may rain today. It may rain today. It may rain today. And from this example you can make a different type of example. It's depend on your choice. You can day to day life, you can make different type of example. Basically if you are preparing for government jobs, government exams, just like SSC, CGL or banking, then maybe you can ask from me in comment section also, sir, this type of questions are not coming in SSC exams. These questions are very easy. So I'm not solving questions here. I am trying to teach you concepts in very basic way. Okay, then anyone can understand the concept, and when will you understand all the concepts, then your confusion, your doubts, everything will be clear. And then when I will practice for you all the previous year questions, all different type of questions, then your concept, everything will be good, and then you can clear the examination. So पॉसिबिलिटी का जो यूज होता है बच्चों, उसमें भी हम लोग मे का यूज करते हैं. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. And another thing is might. Might is also very important. Might means just like what? May, might. No, basically might means just like you can say 20%. Okay, so might, this might word, when we should use this word might word. So might word means just like in this situation also, you can imagine a situation. You have a crush. Okay, you have a crush. That means just like you want to make a girlfriend and you are loving some girl, that is called one-sided love. You are loving but they are not loving, she is not loving you. So in this condition you can tell, as for example, she might love me. That means you are telling, you want to tell here, maybe वह मुझे प्यार कर सकती है या नहीं भी कर सकती है. दैट मीन्स यू आर इन डाउटफुल सिचुएशन, यू आर नॉट इन कॉन्फिडेंट, यू हैव नो लॉट्स ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस हियर एंड यू हैव नो एनी कंफर्मेशन कि वो प्यार करती है तुमसे या नहीं करती है. ओके, सो यू बेसिकली यू आर इन डाउटफुल सिचुएशन, दैट्स व्हाई यू आर टेलिंग she might love me. That means in this section we can understand one thing, just like when you want to talk, when you want to represent about doubtful situation, just like you are not you have no any confirmation about that situation, that any particular things, then you can use this word that is called might. इसमें आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि 20%, मतलब 20% संभावना है, मतलब एटलीस्ट परसेंटेज 20% संभावना है कि वो आपसे प्यार कर सकती है या नहीं कर सकती है. देन वी कैन यूज माइट. ओके, एंड फ्रॉम मतलब इसका दिल भी टूट सकता है बेचारा का, और दिल इसका नहीं भी टूट सकता है. ओके, दे कैन फेस रिजेक्शन एंड मे बी नॉट. ओके, and another things, it is also related to may section, this rules, which is visage and blessings. When we will talk about visage और blessings, visage and blessings मतलब क्या होता है, basically in Hindi we can say शुभकामनाएं, आशीर्वाद. When we will talk about this type of situation, when we have to take blessings from other people, our seniors, our teachers, our mentor, anyone, then we can use this type of verb, this type of word in our day-to-day life. So we can say may God bless you. Just like किसी से लेना ही नहीं, किसी को यदि आशीर्वाद आपको देना भी है तो वहां पे भी इस टाइप का वर्ड को यूज किया जाता है. यदि आपको किसी को आशीर्वाद देना है, किसी को शुभकामनाएं देना है, तो आप यू कैन से मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. ठीक है, एंड अनदर सेंटेंस मे यू लिव लॉन्ग, तो ये भी ब्लेसिंग्स है. ओके, दीज आर ब्लेसिंग्स. मे यू लिव लॉन्ग, दैट मीन्स इन हिंदी वी कैन से आप दीर्घायु हो या दीर्घायु हो, इस टाइप से, मतलब यू विल लिव very long years, many years. Okay, and now I am going to talk about rule number 3, which is where I am going to teach you about, where I am going to talk about must. So how we can use must. Must is also very important. Must means just like you can see here, this boy have lots of confidence. Okay, and there are might examples also there. So I am going to discuss about might example of might, and then I will discuss about must, because we have to discuss it in last. So might means what? Might means basically होता है less possibility. When we will talk about less possibility, शायद, and we have doubtful situation also, and we have less confidence, it will be mixed, then we have to use might word, which is verb. Okay, and which type of verb? These are called auxiliary verb. So when we will talk about less possibility, then we have to use might words. And here you can see this boy is laughing, and maybe he is happy. And another thing, last one is must. So must is very important, and when you have confirmation, and when you have lots of confidence, and you are 100% sure about anything. So just like you are 100% sure definitely she will love you, then this type of situation you can use this word might. So we have example also. Might नहीं, must. So must we have one example, she must love you. She must love you, that means वह तुम्हें डेफिनेटली प्यार करेगा, मतलब 100% उसको कॉन्फिडेंस है कि वो उसको प्यार करेगी. ओके, तो इस टाइप के सिचुएशन में हम लोग मस्ट का यूज कर सकते हैं. Okay, I hope you understand very well, and if you have any confusion, any doubts, then you can drop your feedback in comment section. And if you really enjoy this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And you can if you want to connect with me personally, then you can follow me on my all the social media handles. And thanks for watching this video. Wish you all the best. Take care.